Welcome to Prathavesh Finance. We are presenting Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100. It's quite late today, unexpectedly. Anyways, guys, we are going to introduce you this week. Whatever the downfall has happened in the last week has literally touched upon downtrending point. You can see our previous video in the description link, so you can analyze that. Even we can give the good amount of volatility into the market where you can book the profit and you can drop it. Even you know that how much market can goes down. This is first time I believe it is happening. See, in the last week we have given we have literally given that how much market will fall, and it really work in case of at least Nasdaq 100. I believe it. If you see Nasdaq 100 touch around 19,550 points, where Nasdaq a composite index has touched around 17,750 700 points. So we have given 7,600, and nobody's have that sort of analyze expectations from the market, and it's unexpectedly showed downtrending in the current position. So anyways, this week we are going to give it to you another prediction which will be valid from the 2nd of September 2024 till 7th of September 2024. Guys, let's see what our opinions speak about this week performance of the Nasdaq in both the indices. Okay. So guys, here is a Nasdaq prediction for composite index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 2nd September 2024 7th of September 2024. Composite index maximum higher end it can goes up to 17,950 for Nasdaq composite index. It can show some sort of stability around 17,450 point. If it is goes down, it can touch up to 17,200 points. And in case of Nasdaq 100, we were expecting the volatility around maximum. It can goes higher if it is possible. It can touch up to 19,950 point. It can show some sort of stability around 19,350 point. And suppose it goes down, it can 19,150 point. Overall, we were expecting this week market can show around a flat trend, means it can goes down or upward. But let us see what market will speak about it. Rather than we are not controlling the market, we are from the India.
So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Com and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 26th of August till 2024 till 31st of August 2024. Nasdaq Composite Index maximum higher end it can goes up to 18,450 point. It can show some sort of stability around 18,150 point. If it is gone down, it can touch up to 17,600 point. Nasdaq 100 we were expecting around it 20,050 point 500 point maximum it can goes above, and it can show some sort of stability around 20,350 point minimum. It will goes down, it can touch up to 19,550 points. That's it.
Predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 2nd September 2024 till 7th September 2024. Composite index may perform around its maximum higher end up to 17,950 points. Can show some sort of stability around 17,450 points, where minimum if it 50s goes down, it can touch up to 17,200 and 200 points, where my Nasdaq 100 may expect maximum higher end around 19,950 points, and it can show some sort of stability around 19,350 point. If it is goes down, it can touch up to around 19,150 points. That's it. Thank you, Bhavridvesh Finance. Dear viewers, dear our YouTube audience, whatever you are going to do and analyze, you are watching our analysis. I knew it. Oh, hardly one person may be watching this video for Nasdaq predictions. Yeah, we are not uploading for the domestic market, Indian domestic market, because here is a lot of thing which we should reveal it. I don't know. Whatever the things are going on around it, it's okay. So very thank you, by Bridgeways Finance. Have a great day and enjoy the busiest day of the week, that is beginning of the week for everyone. Yes, we have a good news for everybody. Today onward, we will start equity analysis, hot pickup of the week. We will give one equity per week, and really, if you want an equity analysis, let me know. But will you donate anything for that to us? Let me know. So yes, we are asking upfrontly because we are not into this. We don't know how to book the profit or something like that. Anyways, we will speak about it. So today onwards, there will be one equity, and equity only hardly 5 minutes video, not more than that. Minimum can be few 5 seconds of video too. So let's see what surprise we will serve you in this week. Yes, absolutely, dear investors and our YouTube audience, Bridgeways Finance has promised you we will share something called as analysis on politics, but we haven't started yet because see, when we do any sort of analysis, one word of analysis can take around a day or 2 days to do analysis, because it's having tons of data needs to analyze it. It's not like that we had to pick up the something and say, yeah, this political party will really do it. For example, probably we may say that today, as per today's our analysis about Sunita Williams, probably she will die. Might be we can say that we are not controlling NASA or something like that, but probably she will never come back to the return to the earth, because the way all news going on, according to that we are telling, because it's a hopeless. I'm not a person who's going to send everything, who's going to plan everything. I believe it every day. There were news that it has delayed, it has delayed. How many things are delayed? So anyways, it depends on the project planning. I don't know who's the person who's doing this project planning. So anyways, this is based on some media news. I'm telling that yes, probably Sunita Williams will never return alive to the earth, I guess so. If it is get delay and delay and delay again. So anyways, guys, I'm not feeling well today, and then also I'm uploading this video to all of you because today is Monday. Hardly we work for on weekends, so today